Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to post on X, or formerly known as Twitter. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, go ahead and open up the X app. All right. Now, once it loads, as you can see here at the bottom right, we have the plus sign. All right. So just go ahead and tap on it. Now here you have multiple options. You can go ahead and go live, post in spaces, post a photo, and to create your custom post right here. Just tap on it. Now this page will open. So just go ahead and enter what you want in here. And if you don't know yet, Twitter or X allows multiple media on one post. All right. For example, I'm going to add in some photo right here. I'm going to tap on the photo icon. And then I'm just going to tap on this photo. All right. From here, I can go ahead and add a comment for this photo. For example, sample. Okay. I'm going to add in some GIF. I'm just going to tap on GIF. This one. Okay. As you can see, we have our photo right here and we have the GIF. Now, if you want to as well, you can go ahead and add in a video. Okay. Just tap on the photo icon once more and add in a video. For example, this one. I'm going to hit on allow, hit on done right here at the top right. Okay, got it. And as you can see here, we have the picture or photo, GIF, and a video. And if you want to, you can go ahead and add in a location. Okay, just tap on location. Now, once you're good with that, you can go ahead and go to the bottom. And in here, we have the option to choose who can reply to your specific post. All right, just tap on it. And here, as you can see, everyone, verified accounts, accounts you follow, or only accounts you mention. Okay, just for this example, I'm just going to select this one. And once done, here we have the last option in here, which is the plus sign. I'm going to tap on it, and you can add another post. For example, sample 2 right here. Okay, just like that. And after that, I'm going to go ahead and hit on post all. Okay. As you can see at the top, it says ascending post. Just wait for it. Okay. Now go ahead and swipe down to refresh your page or profile. Now it says here post successfully sent. And here we have the post. Okay. That's basically how you do it. We have the sample right here and sample 2. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.